Hello friends, I've missed you. Thanks for coming by today to say hi. It's Miss Hazel.
And Miss Kate.
Okay, I was thinking about what can I say today to, get your attention. So today's project is with stuff you have around your house. Look how cool this is. Well, hopefully if you have Sharpies at your house. I know not all moms and dads and grandmas and grandpas and Uncle Fred, not everybody likes Sharpies, but Miss Kate and I love Sharpies. So this is a little project you could do at home on your own without anything special. Well, hopefully. So you find a piece of cardboard that you have. Lots of people are getting things in the mail these days. You could just cut a piece of cardboard off of that. It could be big or small. And then you need some foil. The foil I have comes in these squares, but you could use a roll of foil. If you have heavy duty foil, that would be good too, or regular foil. Then you're going to wrap up your cardboard like it was a present, because it kind of is a little present. Oopsie. All right. Wrapping it up. My foil, I put the shiny side out, and I'm going to fold the edges down, tape that down. I'm making my canvas for my groovy, shiny foil art. Yep, that's what I'm calling it, Miss Kate.
Okay, you're wondering what to call this.
I know, I didn't know what to call it. All right, now I've made myself a little foil palette. The kids that are in our program, our Alameda Arts program, they've seen us do this. They know how to do it, but if other friends need a cool project to do when you're home. Okay, now I have permanent markers. They seem to hold the color better. And for this one, I just took my canvas and I did a kind of crazy scribble scrabble. Scribble scrabble art. You could draw a picture, but if you sometimes don't really have an idea of what you feel like drawing, you could just do that. Scribble scrabble. I did my scribble scrabble in black, and then I would find a little section and color it in. And I'll have to tell you that coloring with permanent marker on foil like this, you have to be gentle. Like no big pokiness or you'll poke through your foil, because remember, it's just a thin sheet of foil. And then pick your different sections and color them in. And it actually feels really nice. And you get this wonderful shine to it on the foil. And then when you're done, you could tape a little string on it and hang it up on your wall. You could make a necklace if you wanted to. That'd be pretty, Miss Kate.
I probably wanted a little smaller.
I know, but maybe I was trying to make a fashion statement and I wanted a big, bold necklace. I could wear this.
You could. Maybe it could be earrings.
Oh, I could make earrings. Anyways, so that's a little project that you could do on your own at home. I hope you liked it. If you do, you could subscribe to our YouTube channel. We would like that very much. Or you could follow us on Instagram. Yeah.
And Alameda Arts Fun.
Yeah. Thanks for joining us today.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye, friends.